Welcome everyone. Today I am going to talk about the placement of planet Sun in the 10th house of a horoscope. This is the most important and the strongest quadrant house in the entire horoscope. Reason for this is that all the quadrant houses are powerful in the chart, but the 10th house is the strongest quadrant, and these are the places, the quadrants are the places where Lord Vishnu resides himself. So imagine any planet being placed in the house of Lord Vishnu is deemed to give you, is meant to give you good results. But at the same time, I would say that any planet that is placed in the quadrant house will first make sure that you will have to put in your efforts and hard work, and then only they will give you good results by being placed in the quadrants. And any planet that is placed in the 10th house will give you good results after hard work in the significations related to that planet. So the good thing about planet Sun in the 10th house is that it is the planet which gets the highest directional strength. So when we are doing the Shadbal studies, planet Sun will get the maximum points in the directional strength of Shadbala studies, and Sun is bound to give you excellent results with minimum labor and maximum gains. So that is why out of all the planets, Sun is the only one which is considered excellent in the 10th house. So now we all know that the 10th house is the place which is going to give us our careers, or even though the person may not be working, he will be known for the work that he does coming through the 10th house. If you are just a homemaker or you are not doing anything, even then with this placement of Sun, whatever little work you will do, you will be appreciated, you will be admired, and you will get fame out of that. So it is such a beautiful position for planet Sun to be in. Now here Sun will also give you lots of success, easy success, leadership abilities, authoritative position, success through seniors, and favors coming through the seniors, through the bosses, through the governments, because Sun is significator of all these things. Now Sun signifies government, position, power, authority, father, fame, success. So all these things will give you lots of happiness because of this beautiful placement of planet Sun in the 10th house. Now you can also have a career related to planet Sun. Now what are these things which can give you a career? So Sun is significator of speculation, arts. It can give you a career related to wool, related to forest, because Sun signifies wood also. It can give you a career related to photography. It can give you a career of speculations, a career where you are doing mantras, a career where you are being a healer, a career where you are the authority, you are the boss, where you could be doing your own business and managing everything single-handedly. So here this position of Sun will make sure either you are at the top of the organization, like you could be the CEO or senior manager in an organization, or it will make sure that you are doing your own work and getting excellence out of it. Friends, this is the position when the planet Sun is giving you the highest brightness by being placed in the 10th house. The reason for this is that Sun will be brightest between the 12 p.m. time and the 2 p.m. time, and if a person is born during this time, then he or she will have her Sun in the 10th house. So that is why maximum fame is also felt by this person. Also, I would like to tell you is that the first 4 houses are the houses of your childhood time. Then from the 5th house up till your 8th house is your middle age time, and from the 9th house up till your 12th house is the time from your middle age up till your later part of life. So when sun is present here, you will start getting success around your middle age, and throughout your life you will be appreciated for the work that you are doing. So this is a very good position, and you will be also seeing the good results or the happiness coming through your dad, because here it also means that the father of the native could be well placed. He could have an influence in the native's career also, and you will get maximum happiness through your father also. This position of sun is also casting its aspect on the 4th house, so which means that through your accomplishments your family will also get the happiness, they will also shine. So this position of sun will glorify the house where it is sitting and the house where it is aspecting. So you will be more inclined towards your ambitions, towards your career achievements, and so this position of sun will glorify your career, and also it will glorify your family life. So the entire family members could also be placed well in life, and they could also be doing very well in life. So there is no difficulty by this placement of sun, and this also gives you excellence in studies, because the 4th house is all about your schooling, it's all about your education, so you will shine in that respect also. So overall I would say that the person does very well and rises to a very high level and gains through government and authority figures, and the person can also be a judge or a very successful individual based upon the work that he decides to do. And also the lordship houses of sun will prosper through this placement. So wherever it is having the lordship of, that house will also come into excellence and come into limelight. But before concluding, I would also say that this placement I am only talking about without considering the other aspects of planets, whether they are malefics or benefics or the nakshatra lords of planet sun. So if your planet sun is placed like this, and if it is in the nakshatra of a malefic planet, or if it is conjunct or aspected by a malefic planet, then the results may not be felt as per se. Or if there is a beneficial aspect on planet sun, or if sun is in the nakshatra of its friend's planet or in the nakshatra of a benefic, in that case sun will give you very good results. So friends, never read any chart based upon only one position of a planet. Do consider the other aspects, the other configurations in the chart as well, so that you can reach upon the right conclusion about the native for whom you are studying the chart. So friends, this was all about the placement of sun. I hope you must have liked the video. So please encourage by hitting the like button, and also share it with your friends, and subscribe if you have not subscribed so far. And I'll see you very soon with my next video, and I want to thank you all for listening.